Yeah, for my Kwaba TV, best some sending number channel so I'm hit and subscribe or like Ashama Wana. Pense me be it so in your beauty, Messam somebody mania that Gina Ballroom intent to equity in Simon and the Etudra. A commence Henry Quartey not to be a man Okudzeto Ablakwa pa our parliament. Now a chief reporter Yensa I can see 2 members of parliament from either side of the house were embroiled in very heated moment over an attempt to seek clarification from the Speaker of Parliament on how they should react to an address by the Minister of Energy, Dr. Matthew Prempe. The minister, who is also the Member of Parliament for Menchia South, had provided an update to Parliament on the flood situation in the Volta and the other regions of the country that had come about following spillage of excess water from the Kosomo and Pond dams. In reaction and responses from some MPs, the Ayawaso Central Legislature, Henry Quartey, saw the wisdom of the Speaker on what the direction should exactly be. While Speaker and seeking the clarification of the second Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Andrew Esiama Amwakon, he made a comment that did not sit down well with the Member of Parliament for North Tongue, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, attempting to catch the eye of the Speaker without much of a success. He sort of distracted Henry Quartey, pushing him to call out his colleague on the other side, accusing him of being notorious for interjecting him. Ati for na kamese we ne nsema hodo a yababo na yedebrem na yemonwra munti audio no so eto aso ne munsem ye ba de ka ho bia no enso en beba bedom
se yo ato aban wie na ankoye jubilation yakoye hia na mom no nipa enam se o hya ase no okọ nipa ho se momwame na nipa no so numu na kakra watima we no eye is in order so beko na akodo bia ase on the quiet na omo lusu ye no so omo anya ya ode bi wo mu omo ankasa kra me giri se obeko omo bia ho omo call 26 omo tikta abotiko ye no ne omo timi call 4th November nyina no ni so obeko omo ho na ono makasa no mahwe kwan a omo so aka bum no maye adwuma MPP baako ene ekoye unfortunately enu apanyi Alan atimate ne ho a in fact na eya but when den senkana nka oka ho a kenan ke pa but still minima dwia me say ke otimi kɔ no ho so ankaye otimi kɔ no ho a na otimi ne kasa mate senkofo ebi mo kasa omo kusuawo ne kasa otimi pa because me hwɛ na the campaign a oye no me hwɛ a metimi say still na no ontimi win no ho from MPP ontimi me hwɛ ne niam a oye na still our MPP enti no omo modern say obe tone down nanka wa ba nanka ya boom ya ade ba ko na the victory is there enti be congratulate Dr. Baumia ni encouraging say onkoso na onfa unity the member hunu ba ko a aboama unity no aba MPP mu after election we ye one ni say Dr. Baumia shase na okọ all the painful a MPP no eye top executive from ministers to MPs down to chief executives district near omunyina be kan ho constituency heads omunyina be kan ho almost about 80% e be kan ho ma omo prosecute no agenda no boa e ma say e wo win ye partner are united senka omo achicha nka samrei nanka sa disunity no ebe manifest because ono no omo na dada partner no omo so mu acheche eninti no bia ono betiada but enam so omo no one from the top no na bia ase na delegates some executives no mu to check akra mo to be break akra ma other contestants no na ama partner I stand this firm na ho de na gusu ho nti no a good point na ba saying ne running mate there we be say whom am I said the romantic man kind no meaning say clear say say man kwan na ono atrase na ohwem said na ado otrase hwe ya de ni hwemu a ko hunu obi aye Dr. Baumia oyi no baaye no ye man kwan no on trase na ono anhwem ebia de ye nyina de na asusu no ebi kwa na nye ono eninti mumayenyi na odobeyi na babia no so
they are given the opportunity to advise or to share your views on that come on na advice because
media the mechanic say ade no mra no anase 2 minutes da man no say won speak e also pick you bia okasa kire na obeti
Obran who has when hand time.
Yes. That's all. Now no say onye no say oye independent of the system na. E wo hwa e wo say eno operate no. Anything no say commander in chief no ka say ya. E wo say you e wo say oboa e me prosecute. Na fe ho susanso bi aba so a e nyina take responsibility. Me gi say eno na ehia. Na nipa no so me nka say you no me ga say or a good advisor so obetimi ama or no more advice economic wise society whatever bibia mu no obetimi ama na better advice na we lead economic management team no yi and just a person who is religious leader no we religious in religion politics and economy and religion and this POB na say no such qualities obi obetimi o religious power obetimi as a command economic power command people na all this no you know one person na o sign brand who has enough at the point no onyi ne hu nsi nchen enka say me de na me de me ti say you na omo na ye say sa se nipa sa wo hode a me gi say pikin no so a mini problem ti yen choose the right person, the one who focus on the agenda and do it with all his heart. And yes, be or vice president, but no, you should be a vice president and one vice president. When you focus on one, that's all. No, because one vice president do focus no a vice president say develop Ghana. Near Mana Ghana konenim. And yet vice president who other businesses be away outside the planet.
When you're divided
yes this you may be ready to stop it. We are ready to stop it. Say we are so focused we jai house of no say you potro potro no be eso who say adwuma na wokoye no they no potro mu say the royal car eso we ready say potro no banum bi ayasa o so re nyira nchen ka say omo na so omo no potro say me nim na me ma ho ba omo na akofa chaos abasi country ha such a person no kwase mutumu all planning ye na mu because there are so many people in Ghana with my vice president. There are so many in MPP there are so many and that person you baumia no per se you baumia no per se baumia yi MPP ni a we call we popular or MPP ni down south or you call and popular we yi na nimpa for dono we MPP ni pass so me dey me madwen no
doctor so popularity for ni anomoa.
This one will help. This one alone will help. SARS dispensation you will be a one who power MPP more because MPP no unfortunately you do situation be a microphone be cry up we are aware sir ya buy a 2 year crash say microphone be more or more kicking against the existing government